Okay, now folks, this is your Vimal Kirti's home area. Vimal Kirti of the Vimal Kirti Sutra fame. And folks, I have approached the spot where Zhang Zhang says Vimal Kirti preached when he was sick. Folks, see, now it has become a swanky marble temple. They have made it into a swanky marble temple, and here you have a people tree. See, people trees are very important in what do you call it? Nowadays, what you call Hindu, there is no difference between Hindu and Buddhist. Is the British colonialists, they didn't understand. They named the Indians Hindus and foreigners Buddhists. So this is your Bhairav Baba Mandir, the spot where Vimal Kirti preached when he was sick. I will have to open my shoes to go here. I will have to open my shoes. So folks, here we are. I am in Vimal Kirti's, the place where he preached while he was sick. Now, this is the Sanctum Sanctorum. It is locked, it seems. Folks, I will pay homage to the ground. Now, the story is such that now Buddhist Hyun Sang says that Vimal Kirti preached here when he was sick. He calls it the, what do you call it, home or the house of spirits, and it was a pile of bricks in his time. Well, they have made it into a swanky temple, and it is Bhairav Baba temple. So this is your Vimal Kirti's home. What do you call it? I mean, the place he preached. And folks, according to Buddhist texts, he actually wasn't sick. He pretended to be sick, so that when he was sick, villager people would come to visit him. And when they came to visit him, he preached about the Buddha. So this is the spot, folks. After that, it seems Vimal Kirti died, and they pray to him as Bhairav Baba. Bhairav Baba is an ancestor. So basically, Vimal Kirti is an ancestor of this village. Folks, people pray to him. Thank you. So folks, thank me for searching out the spot where Vimal Kirti preached while he was sick.